Hey guys, so today we are going to take Destiny. We're gonna take a road trip to San Francisco. Gonna attend a screening and just enjoy some of the sights in San Francisco. A big test for her. We'll see how she does. We got Jason and Ken in the chase car. Ken's gonna get some shots. Our first stop is we're gonna meet Chris Miles, another DeLorean owner in Fresno, and have some in and out. In and out. All right, let's do this. All right, here we go. All right, just 10 minutes in and we're already stuck in traffic. We've been traveling for 90 miles already. Destiny seems to be holding on and doing fine. There was a couple of grades that I had to go up, just kind of downshifted and got through that. So we've already traveled about 90 miles now, and Destiny's been doing well, just cruising. It's been a good drive so far. Temperature is about 200. Fuel is about half tanker now, so maybe not the best gas mileage, but she's going. There's Chris. There's Chris's car. I need to get one of these.
Very nice.
Where'd you get that?
Well, you can order it through lots of different places. The brand is Dash Mat.
Oh, okay.
Summit Racing sells them, but lots of different places.
Engine bay. Ooh. Looks more metallic than mine.
These are from Toby Peterson.
Yeah.
DeLorean Northwest.
These are for the doors, right?
Yeah, I like that better.
Yeah.
I didn't like the sticker because it just gets all yucky.
Yeah, that actually looks nice.
Just installed some new stainless hardware in some different places.
Oh yeah.
That's right there. That's kind of...
Yeah, I replaced all the nuts on my suspension.
Okay, good.
It just looks cleaner. Well, Chris, thanks for showing me your car.
No problem.
Our cars got to meet each other. Really cool to see a fellow DeLorean owner's car. Thanks, Chris. All right, we made it safely to the drive-in. We're here at Fort Mason, and we're gonna check out the screening of Lumpia with a Vengeance. Gonna finally see it on the big screen. So this is gonna be exciting. And in my DeLorean. I wanna check out the car. Oh, look at that. Yep. Nice. Look at this. Just randomly going doors. You know music? I gotta get it. Yeah. Take advantage. It doesn't come up here often. Everyone taking pictures of the Destiny.
Hey Dad, have you seen my xylophone? Xylophone?
Wipe out or pressure from systems that's holding the power. They hunting again right now.
Hey, what's up? I'm here with Jeff Lang, owner of
16360.
Nice. And here's his car. So we've been just talking DeLorean stuff and yeah, sharing stories.
Yeah, I mean, it's really interesting because we bought our cars within a month.
pretty much.
What month did you buy your car?
I bought mine in October, late October
okay.
last year.
So I'm December.
December,
Just maybe
yeah.
Like, sounds like we had a lot of the same research and ideas going into the car. So
yeah.
It's great to meet other owners.
yeah, great to meet up. We're here in front of Pixar. So this is 83, and yeah, how many miles?
Well, my angle drive went out, so it stopped. But but that was actually just recently. So right now it's at 99,244.
Oh, okay.
So, and the engine was replaced at around 60,000 miles.
Oh.
So, give or take 30,000 miles on the, actually almost 40,000 miles on the
Okay.
on the new engine.
All right, this morning we're going to a car meet at Alameda Shipyard. There should be a lot of cars there, so we're gonna bring the DeLoreans. Jeff Lang, that I met the other day, is gonna bring his DeLorean, and we're gonna bring the chase car, the Scion XB. So let's see what happens and check out all the cars. There's Jeff. Shots of the DeLorean in this marsh. Hey guys, so driving back to LA and the coilovers are holding up, absorbs some of the potholes pretty good. What I noticed about long distance driving in the DeLorean is the seats aren't that comfortable. Also, when steering, I feel like it's not as responsive. If you swerve to the right, you gotta like recover. I'm not sure if that's something that I need to adjust with the steering wheel. It seems to be pretty steady at like 80 miles per hour. At higher speeds, the car kind of shakes. But as you can hear, the ride's pretty quiet. The hand cooks, not a lot of road noise. All right, guys, Destiny and I arrived home safely. She did a great job, lasted the whole journey, and I think we put like 900 miles on her. It was a good trip. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the future.